Cosmopolitan. Just the name itself conjures up images of women in sleek dresses, men in smart coats, evenings filled with opportunity. To make a decidedly cosmopolitan, which is a Skyy Citrus Cosmopolitan, you're gonna need the following ingredients: a martini glass, a lime, some cranberry juice, some triple sec, and Skyy Citrus vodka.
I will, but you're not my brother. First, ice down the martini glass. Second, fill your shaker full of ice. I'm gonna add about 2 ounces.
8 count if you're free pouring, but if you're gonna go old school, you're gonna go 4 fingers, that high.
Anyway, the next thing I'll do is add triple sec.
Now that's a 4 count if you're free pouring, or 2 fingers. That seems like too much of a fuss. Just think 2 parts Skyy Citrus vodka, 1 part triple sec.
The next ingredient is lime juice. Makes a pretty good cocktail. And finally is cranberry, and this is just to give it a color. Shake.
Now don't be afraid to sex it up while you're shaking your Cosmopolitan. Your special someone might be impressed.
Throw out the ice that's been chilling in your martini glass and strain.
The garnish.
And then serve.
And remember, make these Cosmopolitans neon pink rather than cranberry red. Your special someone will definitely thank you for it.